How to use WhatsApp Web for business. Prefer using WhatsApp in your browser? Here's how to access WhatsApp Web. First, go to web.whatsapp.com and you will see a QR code. In WhatsApp Business, click Link Devices, then link a device and scan the QR code with your phone. Your chats will instantly appear on the browser, ready to use. Log out from WhatsApp Web after using it on public or shared computers to keep your data secure. Do you use WhatsApp Web for business chats? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use WhatsApp Web for business. It's easy and quick. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.